So I had a custody client who came in and she is looking to relocate with her children. She currently lives in Cumberland County and she's looking to move to New Jersey. The children, her and the children's father live here in Cumberland, and she and the father share custody 50-50.
So do you know when she's moving?
Yeah, that's a tricky situation. She told me she was planning on moving next month.
Okay, so she is or is not aware that she has to file the notice like 60 days before she relocates?
We did discuss that yesterday, but she didn't know that.
So yeah, I would say that she has to do that as soon as possible, because that would definitely significantly impair Dad's ability to have the custody he has, because they share 50-50 custody. And unless where she's moving in New Jersey is close enough to allow them to continue that, she'd need to file the notice and a counter affidavit for him to object or agree to the relocation.
So if he doesn't agree with her moving to New Jersey, she's not going to be able to move next month. Am I correct?
Correct. There will be a hearing and the court will consider a list of factors related to the best interest of the child to decide if the mom can move with or without the children, or if they need to stay here in Cumberland County.
And the factors that you're talking about, are those the current custody factors?
So there are a list of the best interests, just in general, a list of factors they consider, but there are specific relocation factors that they also consider that are a lot like the regular custody factors, but more specific to the location aspect of it. So where is most of the children's providers or schooling or extracurricular activities located? And is the parent who's moving someone who usually does those things? Like, it's more about the location than it is about the best interest of the child, but it all comes down to that.
We did discuss the factors yesterday when I met with her. We also discussed how quickly she could get a hearing, things of that nature. Are you aware of how quickly she could get a hearing? Is it any different than a normal custody procedurally with a hearing?
So I think that they would probably prioritize the hearing based on the fact that she's trying to move and she has to give 60 days notice, but I'm not sure if there is a procedure to make it happen sooner.
From my understanding, when we looked at the statute yesterday, it is my understanding that she's supposed to statutorily have a hearing within 45 days. So I did meet with her. We did go over the statute provided for relocation, and we did start the process of giving notice yesterday when we spoke. We now are going to get underway the procedure for the relocation, give notice, and see how the other side responds, and see if Dad's in agreement or if we're going to proceed forward with a relocation hearing.
Nice. Has she had a conversation with Dad at all about whether he'd be in agreement or not, or they aren't on that basis to be able to talk about those things?
I don't think Dad's very happy that their schedule they currently have is going to be disrupted. I think he very much cares for his children as well, but I know Mom is looking to move to better her life and the children's life because she is looking for a new job.
Okay, cool.